How to create group chat on IMO. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon, and here on the top, you can find the section called New Group. Simply tap on it. Basically, this is the place where you can select new contacts or the people whom you want to add in the group. Here, select the people whom you want to add, and here on the top you can even give your own name, so it's up to you. At last, here on the bottom, tap on the stick button, so a group has been formed. Now you can easily chat and message with the members inside the group. Here you can even add and even remove other members. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.